Hey guys, I'm Brooke, and I am here to show you a little tutorial, or give you a tutorial rather, on a little line dance that I created. The song that inspired this line dance is Ladies Night. And like any other line dance, it can be done really to any song that you want to. It's just 4/8 counts that repeats from wall to wall. And it's just that parts of it go with certain parts of the song, which you'll see as we go along. So for this video, I'm not going to be playing the song and doing it with it because I am going to be posting this on YouTube and I don't want to get a copyright ding and then have the video removed for the copyright for the song. But what I'll do is create a second video where I'm just doing it with the song, and I'll try to post that separately and we'll just see if it goes through, and then that way you'll have something to reference. So to get started, the first thing that we need to learn is a move called the disco step. Why not throw that in there? And the disco step, I'll show you from the front, it just looks like this. So it's just that tap, 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 tap with a little twist of the hips. So doing that from the back, all that you're going to do is put all of your weight on your left foot and tap your right toe forward. And when you do that, you have basically all of your body weight on that standing left leg. And then you'll take that right hip and pop it forward just a little bit. And then all you're going to do from there is just change to the other side. So then I'm going to place my weight on my right, tap my left toe forward, take my left hip forward, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. So it very much feels like when you're tapping, you're kind of sitting back in that hip. Tap, sit back in it, sit back, sit back, sit back. But the main thing to get there is just that you're alternating those toe taps forward. So that's the disco step. Let's try just like 2 8 counts of that, just doing that in itself, and then I'll throw in the little bit of rhythm change that we have with it. So I'm going to give you 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll start by stepping on the left and 1, and then switch and 2, and we'll do that for 2 full 8 counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, so that's the disco step, and that's what begins this line dance every time that it resets itself. The way we're going to do it, though, is in little sets of 3. So we're going to start with that left foot down, tapping the right toe, and it's going to be and 1, and 2, and 3. Hold count 4. Then and 5, and 6, and 7. Hold count 8, and then one more time, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. So of the 4 8 counts of this line dance, that's already an 8.5. So we do tap right, tap left, tap right, tap left, tap right, tap left, then right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's try that together. Again, you're always starting by placing that left weight down, or the weight on your left foot, and then tapping the right toe. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, and 2, and 3. So we've done 3 sets of just 3 taps. From here, we're going to take a pivot turn 360 degrees, and we're going to do that by stepping forward on the left foot. So I step forward on the left, planting the right toe and just pivoting all the way around to the back. So now if you're doing with me, you should be facing away from the screen. Then you're stepping forward with that left foot again, pivoting back to the direction that you started. So if you noticed, the right foot just stays planted the whole entire time. The left foot steps forward, then we turn, then the left foot steps forward, and we turn. And that's going to be on counts 5, 6, 7, 8. So adding that on from the disco steps from the top, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, One more, 1 and 2 and 3. Now the pivot, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is now half of the line dance. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. Now the pivot turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. So before you do the pivot turn, since we're ending right here with that right toe forward, you have to put that foot down first before you step forward with the left and then step forward with the left. So now let's move on. After we come out of the pivot turn, we went to the back and then to the front. So we landed here on count 8 with the right leg forward. We're going to step forward on the left foot one more time, but this time it's going to be more like a little mambo step. So you step forward with the left, take your weight back onto your right, back onto your left, and then tap your right toe in next to your left. And when you do that, you're sort of just turning your body towards the left side. So just that part coming out of the pivot turn, we landed with the right foot forward on count 8, and we're going to mambo that left leg forward. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, step left, right, left, tap. We go forward, back, back, tap. Let's try adding that in from the beginning. 5, 6, disco step, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. Now the pivot turn, 5, 6, 7, mambo, 1, 2, step 3, tap 4. Now we're going to do some cross taps. This is my favorite part. Okay, so the cross taps, we've already got that right heel lifted. We're now just going to plant that right foot down on the ground on count 1 and tap the left toe out on count 2. Pick up the left, set it down on count 3. Tap out to the right on count 4. So if we ended out of that little mambo step with that right foot planted, we were here on count 8. So this is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, tap 2, 3, tap 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do 3 more of those, but double time. So now we're going tap and tap and tap. It's really the same thing. It's just you're tapping your feet out and we're moving a little bit quicker. The important thing to remember with that is that all of our body weight is staying centered over that base leg. So I'm not putting any weight on the leg that's going out. I'm keeping all of my weight centered there over that base leg, and the leg that taps out doesn't have any weight on it at all. It's just a tiny little tap. So doing that again, once you come out of the pivot turn, we did 5, 6, 7, 8. Do the mambo step. 1, 2, 3, tap in, 4, cross, 5, tap, 6, 7, 3 quick ones, 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4. That's almost all of it. Let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, disco step, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2. Now pivot turn. 5, 6, mambo step. 1, 2, 3, cross tap. 5, 6, 7, quick. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. We're almost to the turn, so let's just finish this out. All I'm going to do now is pick up my left foot, cross it in front. This is 5. Step over on count 6. I'm putting my weight on it. Step back on 7, and then I'm going to slide this right leg through, and now boom, it lands to the other side and it goes right into that first disco tap. So how that looks coming out of that little mambo step and going into the taps, this was 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 5, tap, 6, 7, tap, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I step and I drag that toe right behind me at the same time. All of that weight is going on the left leg and I'm dragging the right toe. And then that way, as soon as I land to that side, boom, it's already in place. And that's the whole thing. So let's try it all together. From the top, disco step, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. Pivot turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mambo, 1, 2, 3. Cross tap, 5, 6, 7. Quick tap, and 1, and 2, and 3. Cross, 5, 6, and slide, and a 1, and 2, and 3 to the other direction. So when this goes with music, it's a little something like 5, 6, 7, 8, ladies' night, dun 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 dun, ladies' night, pivot step, oh what a night, mambo, ladies' night, cross tap, dun dun dun, oh this is ladies' night. Oh what a night, and repeat, repeat, repeat. There it is. Let's do it one more time. I'll tell you what, I'm going to do one super duper slow, and then I'll do one a little bit quicker, and then I'll make a separate video that actually has the song, and I'll do a few rounds through it so that hopefully it will work and it'll run the whole thing. All right, so here we go. From the top, 5, 6, 7, disco, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and pivot, turn, 5, 6, mambo step, 1, 2, cross tap, 5, 6, 7, quick tap, 1, and 2, and 3, cross, 5, 6, slide, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and on and on. All right, let's try one more, a little bit more up tempo. It's actually not too fast of a tempo song, so all right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, pivot step, 5, 6, 7, 8, mambo, 1, 2, cross tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, step, 5, 6, slide, and repeat. So the fun of that is once you get the feet down, then you have these little fun parts like on the pivot step. You can do like fun little whatever you're feeling, like on the oh what a night, maybe some shoulders. And then when it gets to the cross tap, we can do like some pointy disco arms, whatever you're feeling. But get the feet first, and then the flair can come later. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you on the dance floor.